How do smart contracts work? Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on our channel Cryptbuddie, where we will be talking about everything related to blockchain, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies. And today, our topic is smart contracts, what they are, and how they work. But before we start, as I always say, it is important to note that I am not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So, without any delay, let's begin the video. It's 2022, and even those who haven't heard of blockchain have probably heard of Ethereum. With a market capitalization of over $44 billion, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. To completely comprehend Ethereum, one must first comprehend what a smart contract is. Ethereum is more than simply a cryptocurrency. It's also a platform on which other blockchain apps can be developed. I hope you all know what Ether is and how it is used to pay for transactions on the Ethereum network. But if you don't worry, we've got you covered. In essence, the Ethereum blockchain functions similarly to the Bitcoin blockchain, with a network of computers or nodes running software that confirms network transactions. Ether functions more like fuel than a traditional cryptocurrency. To run these smart contracts and applications on the Ethereum blockchain, you'll need Ether, much like you'd need fuel or diesel for your automobile. Because of Ethereum's recent surge in popularity, which can be observed by visiting any crypto exchange platform, the question, what is a smart contract, has become one of the most often asked in the crypto community. So there you have it, the response. I understand how perplexing smart contracts can appear at first. You will see that they are easier than you think once I explain them to you. You will never have to Google what is a smart contract again after watching this smart contract explained video. You will learn how and why smart contracts came to be, the code they utilize, how they may be used, and why they have the potential to revolutionize society forever. Before we get into the more technical aspects of smart contracts, it's crucial to review their history. It's easier to grasp the purpose of smart contracts in the blockchain world if you know why and how they were formed. Nick Szabo, a cryptographer, proposed the idea of storing contracts in the form of computer code in 1994. Because this approach might potentially eliminate the need for trusted third-party companies, this contract would be executed automatically when certain circumstances are met, such as banks. But why exactly? And the solution here is simple. When you make a transaction, you no longer require a trustworthy third party. Rather, contracts or transactions are self-executed on a secure network controlled entirely by computers. So, what exactly is a smart contract? I don't simply want to teach you about smart contracts. I want you to remember what you have learned. So, to help you remember what a smart contract is, I've highlighted three crucial aspects to remember. The first is that a smart contract is a computer code-based agreement between two persons. They are stored on a public database and cannot be modified because they operate on the blockchain. Second, smart contract transactions are processed by the blockchain, which means they can be delivered automatically without the involvement of a third party. This implies that you have no one to rely on. Finally, because there is no third party involved, transactions only take place when the terms of the agreement are met. As a result, there are no concerns with trust. The second question is, how do smart contracts operate in practice? Stick with the video until the conclusion to find the answer, as it is a critical skill to learn for the future. Let's pretend Matthew wants to buy Andrew's house, and the deal is made via a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. This smart contract now incorporates Matthew and Andrew's agreement. The agreement will be written as follows. When Matthew pays Andrew 300 Ether, then Matthew will obtain ownership of the house. And keep in mind that once this smart contract arrangement is in place, it cannot be modified. Thus, Matthew can feel confident in paying Andrew 300 Ether for the house. Andrew and Matthew would have to pay a lot of fees to third-party companies if they didn't employ a smart contract in this circumstance. The bank, A lawyer and a real estate broker are among those involved. Don't you think that's fantastic now? There will be no more commissions and no more waiting for the agreement to be processed by a lawyer and a broker. This is only one of many possible applications for a smart contract. So that concludes today's video. Now I hope you have a more clear understanding about what smart contracts are, as I have tried to explain it as simply as possible. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel to help us get more subscribers and for more weekly content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.